TRUFAT Sculpt All-Round Body Slimming Machine. 8 handles achieve fat reduction, body contouring, cellulite removal. Located radio frequency as core technology. Install 6 pass handles on the fixing bracket. Stick conductive gel and tear off the blue film. Fixed on the body with disposable return plate. Secure the handle with strap. AI intelligent energy control based on different body parts and BMI index. TRUFAT Sculpt also can used in the legs and arms. Intelligent temperature control system can monitor body temperature in real time. Small handle remove the double chin and neck fat. 300 watts high power target to fat layer. 1 to 2 mHz frequency conversion technology.